In this video, there's gifts for everybody, whether you're in love with somebody, whether you're in strong like, whether you're kind of just getting to know somebody. So there's things in here for everybody. Hopefully something in here that you liked and you would get. What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, we're going to be doing some last minute Valentine's Day gift ideas. If you don't have anything by now, check out this video and maybe you can find something. You have about a week to do so. Some of these gifts you can pick up at your local stores, and some of them you can order online and get them like this. If they're below, that means you can get them like this, and I got you. I'm helping you out so you don't get slapped up, so you don't get beat up. No, I'm joking. I don't promote violence, but it was a joke. Cool. Moving on. So I'm excited because this is basically my 1-year anniversary for starting YouTube. My first video was about Valentine's Day. It was a Fashion Nova haul for last minute date night outfits for different type of girls. So I'm excited that I'm doing another one. I'm still here, another year strong, going, and I will continue to be here for a long time. So get ready to watch my videos and enjoy yourself. So let's get into this video for last minute ideas for Valentine's Day gifts. Let's go. So I'm gonna link everything I say down below, and if I can't find a link to that, I'm gonna link something close like it to it. So let's get started with this video. First is a watch. You can get a watch from Apple, you can get Michael Kors, you can get it from Amazon. Any type of watch that looks fancy, I think it would be perfect. Next is a wine tasting subscription. I think that's cool for people who love wine, who love to taste different types of wine. You can just send the wine to them. I don't know if you'll have to keep paying for it yourself, or you can say, hey, I got you the subscription. If you want to continue and you like it, pay for it yourself, but I'm starting you up. I'm gonna look into that, but that's a good idea. Next is the chocolate covered strawberries. You can buy it from a place, or you can make it for yourself. You can make it like in like a cute little I love you stencil. You could decorate it in a box. You could do whatever you want with those. I think that's simple, and when you put your own little saison on it, it's effective. Next is decorate the room romantically. Very simple, don't need to explain that. Next is a coupon booklet of, it could be of kisses, it could be of like little hanker-panker stuff, it could be of chores, it could be just different stuff like that that you would put in a coupon booklet that they can just rip off and give you over time. Or maybe let's do 14 little coupons, since it's on the 14th, and that'll be easier and cute. Next is, if you guys do get matching underwear sets, that's cute. You can do guys and girls, girls and girls, guys and guys, however you see fit. That'll be cute. Next is high heels. You can't really go wrong with high heels. Or booties for the guys, like regular like boots that you go out in, like when you want to go somewhere fancy, those type of boots. If you don't know the person's size, you can always give them a gift card to a store. Next is, you could do a late night picnic under the stars, or you could do a lunch date picnic if the weather's nice. That'll be cute. You can always buy sneakers, there's blazers, you could just watch romantic movies for the day and order some food, or you can make food for each other. That'll be cute, simple. There's a pole dance class. You could either both go to a pole dance class, or I know there's like sessions where you bring your mate to the pole dancing and y'all participate together, like either dancing together, or like they'll watch you do your thing and y'all have a good time. There's romantic dinners. I like romantic dinners. There's a romantic dinner that you can do with a live show, or you can do like the romantic dinners with live music happening. That's cute. There's Broadway plays, there's immersive shows. Those are always cool too. Like if you do a chore wheel, but you do it with different dates, like different possibility of dates that you guys want to go on, or places that you want to go for Valentine's Day but you're not sure, make a little chore wheel, spin it, boom, whatever the dial lands on, that's what you guys could do, and that'll be like a fun adventure to see which I end up doing for the day. There's mountain bags and briefcases that are always good. Jogger sets, you can't really go wrong with a 2-piece jogger set. That's really cute. Guys and girls love jogger sets. Simple, it's cute, bada bing, bada boom. There's also games you can play. I'll list the games as I'm talking, but yeah, there's some games that I saw on Amazon. There's like games in like a date night box specifically for date nights that you can do with couples, and then you can do just solely with you and your partner. There's like 100 thoughts provoking conversation starters. There's like a bucket list game. There's a game that's called like Talk to Me. It promotes conversation and connection, turns to answering questions and testing your knowledge of each other. I think that'll also be a cute little thing that you could do if you want to stay inside. Next is getting couples massages, getting facials. There's always engraving bracelets, watches, wallets, a whole bunch of different things. So engraving something with their name and a cute little message, or like their birthstone or something like that, that'll be cute. There's the mushy stuff that you can make a scrapbook, a picture book, things that, you know, you put in the book that says like, oh, I love you, or I care about you, or, you know, I'm not getting to that. You just figure out how mushy you want to be. If you guys don't really want to do much of going out, but you want to do something for somebody, you can always go to a homeless shelter, an animal shelter, a hospital, and you can go volunteer there. That'll be really cute. What else is there? I think that's, oh, you can cook at home. You can go to a comedy club, poetry club. You can do paint and sip. I've done that before. That was really good. So this one that I'm gonna get into is for like, I guess, long distance relationships. So you can either send them a playlist of songs. This is so old school. Send them a playlist of songs that they can listen to on Valentine's Day that, you know, you made for them because you think about them whenever you hear this song. That'll be cute. You can watch a movie on FaceTime. I would do that whether it's Valentine's Day or not, but you can always watch a movie on FaceTime, maybe a romantic movie, this time on FaceTime. You can do dinner over FaceTime. Y'all both have the same meal or whatever y'all want to eat. Have a nice dinner in front of y'all. Set up the background, the ambiance nice. You know, make it a little different, a little special. That'll be cute. Next is like, you guys can both write like a passionate email or letter to each other and send it. It'll be cute if you actually send it. That would be really cute. But you can email it to, send it to each other, and then y'all can either read it on Valentine's Day to yourself, then call each other, or y'all can actually read it together. The last thing on this list would be, you can make like a cool, cute video of things that you've been doing without them this whole time, and then at the end of the video say, I've had all this good time, blah, 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 whatever, but nothing else really mounted up to me being with you. I wish you were here. And then you can, boom, tell them, hey, are you busy? Can you look at this video? Show it to them. They're gonna be, oh my god, this is so nice, it's so nice. Knock on the door, boom, you right there. That'll be great. So that's something cute you could do. Yeah, and then the simple, you get the earrings, wallet, you could get some perfumes, self-help books. That'll be cute. Yeah. And last but not least, the simple roses, chocolates, and a gift card and a card. Simple. But I would say if you're going to do one of those, you got to add something more to it. That concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found something that you could get last minute because you waited till the last minute to buy a gift. But I got you. So don't worry about it because I got you. And it's going to come to your doorstep before the 14th if you order it like now. Like right now. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is basically my 1-year anniversary for doing YouTube. I'm excited about it. So thank you guys for rocking with me. And if you haven't rocked with me before, you better get with it before I get on and popping, because I'm going to be on and popping. All right? Y'all have a good one. Later.